Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. Today, we continue the series Creating a Recipe. Here is my example. As you can see, this page contains the recipe information. Each recipe is saved in a post of a custom post type. So, this page is the single post page of that post type. The name and description of the recipe are the title and content of the post. The remaining detailed information will be saved in custom fields. For creating the custom post type and custom fields, I use MetaBox. And this page is built by Bricks. Here are some tools we need for this practice. First, MetaBox Core plugin to have the framework for creating custom fields. It's free, so you can download it directly from wordpress.org. For advanced features of MetaBox, we'll need some of its extensions. You can install them individually or use MetaBox AIO to have them all. In this practice, we'll use the MB custom post types and custom taxonomies to create custom post types. And MetaBox Builder to have a UI on the back end to easily create custom fields. Finally, don't forget the Bricks Builder. Now let's start. Go to MetaBox and create a new post type. After publishing, you will see a new menu displayed here. It's your post type. I will create custom fields like this. There is a special field here that is one for video. Instead of using the URL field to save the video link, I use OEM-BED. This field type allows us to display the video directly on the front end. Let's create all of these fields. Next, add an OEM-BED field video. After having all the fields, move to the Settings tab, choose Location as the post type, and select Recipe to apply these fields to it. Then, you will see all the custom fields in the post editor of the recipe post type. Now you can fill in data into the custom fields. Here are some examples that I have already created. Let's create a template for the single post page of the recipe. Then, edit it with Bricks. In the template settings, set the conditions as post type. Then choose the recipe to apply this template to this post type. Then, go to the Populate Content section and select a post to see it in the preview. First, add a container. Add a post title to display the name of the recipe. For the first section, I also added a container. Add an image element for the dish picture. It is the featured image of the post, so in the settings of the image element, select Dynamic Data for it here, then choose the featured image option from the list. For this block of content, add a new container. You can see the structure that I use here for more clarity. Instead of adding basic text, I would like to use the rich text element. The basic text allows you to get the data from the field only, but the rich text allows you to get the extra text along with the data. To get data from custom fields, click on this lightning bolt icon. Then, select the MetaBox recipe and choose the field you want to display. I will do the same with other pairs of information. For the next sections, I will add a heading for each one. Then, set the HTML tag to style the heading. It also helps you optimize SEO more effectively. For the content of the section, add a basic text element. Then, I also add dynamic data to get the data stored in the custom fields. As you can see, I am creating an ingredient section as a good example. For the remaining items like instruction, nutrition, equipment, and notes, I will also do the same. For the video section, I will add a video element to it. You will then see the default video from Brix appear here. If you want to display the video like this, set the custom field as the OEM bed field. To convert it to the wanted video, change this source section to dynamic data. Then search for the video field you created. We will do the same for the remaining sections. Save and see how it looks in the front end. Let's style the page in the following step. Go back to edit the template with Brix. Change the setting of each element to have a new look. This item has 4 rich text elements and I will style them in the same style. However, to save time, I will create a CSS class for the first rich text element and style it. Then I just add the created CSS class to the remaining rich text element to apply the style. As you can see, all rich text elements have the same style. Let's style the remaining elements. Here is the result. That's all for the tutorial today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.